Before we go on, if you're new here and you'd like to get new recipe ideas every week, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have more than 300 recipes on our channel to help you with your meal planning. Make yourself at home here. We will now prepare the chicken stock. 1 piece of spring onion, tie into a knot. Okay, just loosely tie them will be fine. Put it into your pressure cooker. 1 whole bulb of garlic, wash, skin on. Put it in. 1 tablespoon of white peppercorn, pour it into. If you don't want your soup to be too peppery, you can reduce the amount of pepper. Add in also 1 kilogram of chicken feet. I've blanched this already, so just pour them in. I'm going to show you how to clean the chicken feet. Basically, we just clip this last section off, the nails. We don't need that. Just clip it off like this, very simple. And if you tend to see some chicken eye, which is the rough spot over here, just cut them off, snip them off also. But this is very nice, so it's okay. So another piece, I'll just show you again. Snip off the nails, the last section itself, very simple. Just cut it off like this. Be very careful, don't cut yourself. And of course the last claw. After you have done this, put in 1 teaspoon or so of salt. Massage them through thoroughly. You just want to clean them off. After that, all you need to do is just rinse them and blanch them, and they are ready to be made into soup. We start off with blanching chicken feet. You don't have to be boiling. We just put them in, everything, and then we just wait for it to boil. After the water boils for 5 minutes, we'll take out the chicken feet, give them a good rinse, and put them in another pot of clean water for the soup. If you don't want to use chicken feet, you can either use pork bones or chicken bones, no problem. This soup is going to be so good because it will be full of gelatin and collagen. I'll need to move them around. Okay, I want all the blood and scum from the chicken feet to be out in the water. I need this water to be boiling. Once the water starts to boil, let it continue to boil for another 5 minutes before we take out the chicken feet. The chicken feet have been boiling for 5 minutes already. This is done now. I'm going to take this out from the water, rinse it, and put it in another pot of water for the soup. I'll be adding in also 1.5 liters of water. My general rule for making chicken stock is 1 kilogram of the ingredients to 1.5 liter of water if you're using a pressure cooker. If you're using a normal pot, what you have to do is 1:2 or 1:1.45. Okay? Now we'll close this up and let the pressure cooker does its magic. I'll see you back in a while. The chicken stock is done. Let's have a look. Right. So now all I have to do is just sieve this out and keep the stock for future use or for our dish later. I'll see you back in a while. Before you go, consider following us on Facebook and Instagram to know what we are cooking even before they get posted on YouTube. See you there.